guys, Ladylyn here. Today I'm going to show you how to do this beautiful hairstyle with some really fun hearts and a spray color. I'm going to show you which products I use for my dark hair and give you some options if your hair is already light. At the end of this video, I will share a link on how I achieved this hairstyle, so make sure you watch that too. Starting with a square piece of painter's tape, fold it on the non-sticky side and cut out a shape of the heart that is symmetrical. With the hairstyle we learned in the other video, you're going to take your hearts and stick it onto that flat side in a more scattered pattern. The key products we'll be using is Batiste Dry Shampoo in Tropical, Joico Instatint Light Purple, and Ion Bright Airbrush Tint in Magenta. If your hair is already light, you don't need the Batiste Dry Shampoo because a color spray will already show in your hair. But if your hair is dark like mine, this is my tip. With your stickers in place, you're going to spray. Let that dry for a few seconds because if you spray your next product too soon, the chemical reaction won't work. You want this to be more of a powdery finish that's stuck to your hair. We're gonna try the purple first and we'll see what it looks like, and then we'll try the pink as well. So it feels dry, it's nice and powdery. Yeah, I'm really excited. So from about a foot away, so far, I love it. The look that this is gonna give you, your heart is gonna be your natural color, and then everything else has this powdery look. So without further ado, let's try to see what it looks like. And there you have it. So what I decided to do after is spray my root a little bit just to blend it in. What do you guys think? Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell to get notified when I put out a new video. Also, like and comment to let me know what else you want to see. Thanks for watching. Bye! That air, wow, this one smells really good. I'll share with you. Do you see how white it is? So I don't like using dry shampoo on a regular day to revive my hair because that's what it ends up doing. Or how I